Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I'm Dave. So this year, 2024, we completed around 42 laser projects together. So I wanted to do a short montage, just a little snippet of each project to let you see them all together. And if you missed a couple, I'll put links to the playlist down in the description and you can go check those out if you like. So I appreciate you folks watching all year. It's helped the channel grow and it's helped keep me in the shop, and I like being here. So we got a lot planned for 2025. Please come back and watch some more and share with your friends. I would appreciate it. Now let's get on to the montage.